Wait, hold on. You're saying the air inside my house could be 5 times or even 100 times more polluted than outside? Why is that?
That's a great question. Let's break it down. We spend about 90% of our time indoors, working, sleeping, cooking, and relaxing. You think that'd make your home the safest air to breathe, but in most cases, it's not. Everyday things like cooking, cleaning, candles, air fresheners, even your furniture, all release tiny particles and gases. Then, when your home is sealed up tight for comfort and energy savings, the pollution has nowhere to go. So, the air inside gets trapped and recirculates, collecting dust, pet dander, pollen, and even mold spores. Without proper ventilation or filtration, that air can become 2 to 5 times dirtier than outdoor air. And in some cases, like during winter and allergy season, it can be up to 100 times worse. That's why improving your indoor air quality isn't just about comfort, it's about your health. At Golden Rule, our experts go beyond the basics. We'll carefully inspect your system and install high-performance air filters designed to capture even the smallest particles. With multiple air purification options available, we'll help you create a cleaner and healthier home environment you can breathe in. Because following the Golden Rule means you should treat your home and your lungs the way you want to be treated. For more information like this, go to our website and click on Learning Center. There, you'll find tons of answers to home DIY questions that will save you money.